bald eagle has just caught a fresh fish. But suddenly, another powerful bird of prey swoops in, determined to steal the catch. The sky battle begins. High in the sky, a predator is searching for its next prey. Meet the golden eagle. The eagle grabs the baby ibex, loses its balance, and both fall down the cliff. The eagle survived, but the baby ibex falls from the cliff. The baby ibex never got back up, leaving its mother behind forever.